Did you know you can change default font style and size in Gmail? In this video, let's see how to do that. When you are inside your Gmail account, move to the top right corner and click on the small settings icon right here. From drop-down, select See All Settings. This will take you to the main Gmail settings page. Make sure General tab is selected, then scroll down a bit until you find Default Text Style section. From here, you can choose your preferred font. For this example, I choose Tahoma font. To change text size, click on the size option and pick the one that fits your style. You can also adjust text color, just choose something clear and easy to read. Once you're done, scroll all the way down and click on Save Changes. Now, let's compose a new message to confirm everything we set. As you can see, the email body now uses new font size and color. So, go ahead and send the message. Now, let's switching to the recipient side. You can see the message has been received. Once opened, you can see the font style, size, and color match exactly what we selected. If you ever want to remove this formatting, just go back to the settings and click this icon to reset formatting. This will return everything to normal. So that's how you can change the default font style, size, and even text color in Gmail.